King Sharks observes something deeply troubling. The average sardine has heard the word stocks 10,000 times and still has absolutely no idea what it means. Today, King Shark will explain exactly what stocks are, what the stock market, aka the reef, is, how clams multiply inside it, and why every second Bob ignores this. The current is pulling him further from the treasure. Open your gills. Let's hunt. Fight 1. What is a stock? Imagine worker Bob wants to open a business. A clam delivery service. Sardines delivering clams. Beautiful concept. One problem. Bob has 0 clams to start it. Bob could rob a bank or start trading with a few flakes. This fails, so Bob swims to the big blue and finds investors, rich sharks. Bob says, "Give me clams to start this business. In return, you get a small piece of Sardine Corporation. That piece is a stock." The rich sharks are now partial owners of Bob's business. Now, and this is critical, Bob must resist the urge to buy shiny lures he doesn't need. Bob invests in more clam trees. The business grows. More profit. And the rich shark investors get a cut of those profits. Automatically. These cuts are called dividends. Earning clams while you sleep. Amazing dream, don't you think? Stocks versus shares. Bob uses these words like they're the same thing. Like how Bob calls this the ocean and also calls it the sea. They are different. If the stock is the coral tree, the shares are the individual branches. The more stock Bob buys in Sardine Company, the more branches Bob holds. The higher the percentage of the ocean Bob owns. Bite 2. Types of stocks. Not all stocks hunt the same prey. Big company stocks, ancient whales of the reef, slow-growing, reliable. Sharks call these blue-chip stocks. Then there are penny stocks, small startups, tiny fish, high energy, also extremely high chance of going belly up. Like Steve's crypto portfolio. Rest in peace, Steve. Bite 3. The reef, also known as the stock market. This is where all sardine companies set up their stalls, so that any fish, Bob, Steve, Karen, can buy and sell their stocks. When stock prices swim upward, King Shark calls this a bull market. The reef is thriving. Feeding frenzy. Everyone eats. But when prices sink, that is a bear market. The current turns cold. Sharks get hungry. Sardines get very nervous. Now, stock funds. Some sardines, Karen specifically, don't want to pick individual stocks because picking requires research, effort, and focus, things Karen avoids. So instead, Karen buys a fund, a school of stocks bundled together. The S&P 500 is the 500 largest companies in the entire reef. Tech, food, energy, medicine, all of it. Karen buys 1 share of this fund and instantly owns a tiny piece of all 500. Low risk, diversified, smart for a sardine. Unless the politician whale gets involved, which it always does. Then there are hedge funds. These are not for Bob. Hedge funds are exclusive groups of high-risk, high-reward stocks. They can multiply clams rapidly. They can also evaporate clams just as fast. Only wealthy sharks are allowed inside. Bob gets a participation trophy and a pamphlet. But why do stock prices change? Sardine Company's stock can go up, or it can go down. More sardines wanting to buy the stock, price swims up. Sardine Company announces expansion, price surges. Sardine Company's CEO eats all the clams himself, and the price goes down. Even news shifts the current. Rumors, announcements, whispers. The reef is emotional. It reacts. It thrashes. Much like Bob when he checks his portfolio at 3 a.m. Shark fact. Great white sharks detect 1 drop of blood from 3 miles away. Bob waits until the feeding frenzy to jump in. Bob always arrives after the meal is over. Classic Bob. King Shark observes 2 futures. The first, Bob continues drifting. Clams eroded by inflation. Time sold for flakes. The reef grows without him. The second, Bob understands stocks. Bob buys a piece of the reef. Bob's clams multiply while Bob sleeps. The door to the big blue was never locked. Bob just never looked up. One final thing. This video is not financial advice. Please do not attempt to sue king sharks. Most of you will watch this and return to drifting, destined to be krill. But if there is a killer in these waters, click the next video. How to escape the rat race explained by a shark. The choice is crystal clear. Like ocean water, not like Bob's future. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell of notifications. Learn to deep dive the open oceans and hunt like a shark.